Hi guys, happy Monday. Boris here with LBC Capital YouTube channel. I'm gonna do an economic update in a few days, but now I want to talk to you about where to invest in real estate geographically. Somebody asked me a question the other day, is it better to invest in Turkey or UAE Emirates in Dubai? Right, so I think this is a very important topic, and this is a very good one because people ask which state to invest in. I say you have to be there. You have to understand the market. You have to locally be there. Aside from economic trends and demographic trends in any particular location, you have to understand the market. You have to have feet on the ground in there. First of all, I'm not big on investing out of the country at all because you have different political system, you have different taxation system, all these things you need to know. There's different rules for citizens of that country and out of the country investors. Some countries can give you citizenship for investing in that country, but there's a lot of things you need to know about that particular location. But from purely standpoint of investing, it's still better to invest in the United States, okay? Why do we invest in real estate? There's only two reasons to invest in real estate. One reason being cash flow. Another reason is appreciation. If you look at real estate investment as a long-term investment, I say 10, 20, 30 years. Ask yourself that question. Where do you think real estate prices will be higher 20, 30 years from now, whether it's Turkey, Emirates, Texas, Florida, or California, New York, right? Coastal markets in the United States, they will be stronger. If you look at the history, there have been shifts in the cities. You know, take Detroit. This was an industrial city that was flying high. Then it died. Now, from what I understand, Detroit is a mecca for high-tech industry. There's a lot of startups moving to Detroit. California, you hear a lot about people leaving California, but the truth is people with lower incomes leaving California, people with higher incomes and tourists and people from other countries are buying in California. To sum it up, I'm against investing out of the country, even if you know the locale and if you guys are citizens. You can invest there. You're probably going to get a lot better cash flow, but there's a lot of risks and there's a lot of footwork that would need to be done out of the country. Just look at what's happening. There's a war, Russia-Ukraine. So Russia is under sanctions. I'm not sure what's happening with prices of real estate there. I'm sure it's down. Nobody would want to set feet in that country. It's like going to Germany during World War II. And those that live there and can sell their property, you get local currency. Good luck trading it for dollars and good luck transferring those dollars to a civilized country. Ukraine, we have war there. There's a lot of places that they look good today, but the political instability, politics, and just lack of judicial system. You know, you take all these third world countries and you're not sure if you'll be able to keep your investment under your name a few years from now. Yeah, short-term goals may be there. You may get cash flow in a short run. Or take Cyprus. Some 15 years ago, they were taxing people and they were shaving money off your bank accounts there. Not sure what happened during that time with real estate, but I'm sure it wasn't pretty. Stick to United States, and when it comes to United States, choose location where you're comfortable with, choose location where you can drive to, or where you have friends, boots on the ground. California, in my opinion, is one of the states where long-term appreciation will be higher. Everybody wants to invest in California from all over the world, from all over the United States. You have some guy with millions of dollars sitting on the potato farm in Idaho thinking, gee, where am I gonna invest in real estate, right? There is certain aura about California. People will always come here, vacation here. Billionaires would want to own properties here, move their families here from out of the country. So it's no matter what the political environment in California, it's always going to be strong. Florida, New York, these are coastal. They're always going to be great. If your primary motivation is cash flow, you will get more cash flow in Pennsylvania, North Carolina, Tennessee, Texas right now. But again, micromanaging the properties is tough when you're not there. Hiring a good property management company, it's tough. You really need to trust them. You know, you're going to be paying $300 for a faucet change, something that your guy locally can do for $80. So think of these things. You get a lot lower cash flow, return on your money in California, but projections for future appreciation is great. If you look at, I've been in this business since 2003, and I bought my first property in Minnesota in 2004, I think. I sold it 2 years ago, and I sold it pretty much for what I bought it for, give or take. California properties almost doubled in that time from 2004 to 2020, 21. So think about long-term appreciation, think about cash flow, and think about where you live and how much of a footwork yourself you'd want to do. Because some people, you know, you buy local, you still hire a property manager. These are the things to think about, but out of the country investments, I don't know. It's too risky for many reasons for me. You really need to understand, know, and probably be citizen of that country and be protected. Thank you guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so right now down below, and I'll see you guys this week with an economic update. Thank you.